Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC as we're entering a new trading week. Unfortunately, Polygon hasn't really moved since my last update, so we still have two options on the table. Personally, I'm not married to any count. However, my preference is still for a lower low in this yellow support box. Can I rule out that MATIC is going higher? No. Unfortunately, we're just in a scenario where we are sitting between exactly two scenarios. However, it makes sense to be strategic about it, and I'm going to tell you my approach here with MATIC. So the overall wave count, and that is the primary count, does suggest that from the June low we moved up in wave 1, as you know, and then we created an ABC pattern with an overshooting wave B, and we should be heading down into this region between 47 and 69 cents. That would be my preference. Bear in mind, this is an extremely hard chart to read, which definitely didn't get easier, easier to read with the FTX issue, right, surrounding the 9th of November and so on, because this created a real mess in this chart. However, we can focus here on lower in a C wave of wave 2 into this region. That's my primary expectation. In this C wave, this is basically considered an ending diagonal. That's the white count. My view is that we moved down in a wave 1, we moved up in a wave 2, we're now coming down in a wave 3. That's an ABC pattern. So basically wave A done, wave B nearly done, maybe even pushing a bit higher. I wouldn't be surprised to see it push to the $1 level, but then get rejected there and come down. That would be my preference. If we get above $1, I think the blue count is getting in control here. But then there should be a wave 4 and a wave 5. So I'm actually looking at the lower half of this yellow box. So ideally between 47 and 60 cents. Confirmation that we are breaking lower will be obtained as soon as we get below the wave 2 low here. Basically invalidating the blue count. It would be the 80 cent level. If we get below 80, that's a strong indication we're heading lower. Already a break below 89 cents. That blue wave 1 high would indicate we're heading down. Okay. So these are all indications, but that would be the preferred count. There's of course here the possible bullish count. I'm gonna show you the overall count as well. The idea here would be that we've moved up in a wave 1. We came down here already in a wave 2 around the end of September. Then we can say that this was another 1-2 setup. And then we had here another, and this is going to get ugly, 1-2 setup. And we're now pushing higher here in a wave 3. It's an extremely messy chart. And the problem is in all of these wave 2s, we retraced a lot, and that doesn't really give confidence into these bullish counts. So that's what I mean. It's an extremely difficult chart to read. And if you have any other edges or other methods that give you a better edge here than the Elliott Wave method, fair enough. I think the Elliott Wave method is struggling here due to the reason that we are sitting exactly between two scenarios, but doesn't mean we can't use it. It means we need to be strategic about it. Bear in mind, if you're sitting between two scenarios, things can change from one day to the other easily. If we look at this white wave count, we can draw the fibs and we say that the wave B retracement here, no problem. I mean, the 50% retracement ideal still for a wave B. We could even push higher to the 61.8% retracement, not a problem. So I wouldn't be surprised to get there to that and maybe then come down. However, above that level, the wave B will get slightly less likely, especially in a zigzag pattern like this one. It would not normally retrace that much. Then we most likely look at the green count here, or the blue count actually. And my strategy would be, if the blue count indeed works out and we push higher here in 5 waves, maybe into the region around $1.15 overall, then if you get 5 waves up and it's too high for a wave B, we can be more certain we're actually in the imminent breakout count already. Then it will be worth considering to buy the retracement, because then we look at this as a wave 1 that comes back in a wave 2. So let me show you. It would look like this. All of this to be considered a wave 1, come down in a 2, move up in a 3, 4, 5. So I would then buy the wave 2 retracement. Alternatively, if we come down as expected, I will buy in this range. And that's my strategy with MATIC at the moment. I did a couple of weeks ago take profits at around $1.11. So I'm currently sitting on cash here around my MATIC order or MATIC with my MATIC funds, and waiting for a clear entry here. Okay, and that's my update about Polygon MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.